Ever spent hours manually copying and pasting information from a website into a spreadsheet? It's exhausting, frustrating, and takes up way too much of your valuable time. But what if you could extract data from literally any website directly into Google Sheets automatically, using free AI, with absolutely zero coding? Today, I'm going to show you the simple, step-by-step process to do just that in under 2 minutes. First, head over to the Chrome Web Store and install a free AI browser extension, such as Harpa AI or Magical. Once it's installed, make sure to pin it to your browser toolbar so it's always ready when you need it. Next, navigate to the website containing the data you want to capture. This method works perfectly on product listings, job boards, real estate sites, or company directories. Now, open your AI extension right on that web page. Type a simple prompt like, extract all product names, prices, ratings, and links from this page into a structured table. The AI will immediately analyze the web page and gather all that scattered information into neat, organized rows and columns. Finally, open a blank Google Sheet, click the Export button inside your AI extension, and watch as your spreadsheet fills up instantly. Just like that, you've turned hours of boring, manual work into a 5-second automated task. If this shortcut saved you time, hit that like button and subscribe for more effortless AI productivity hacks.